Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I want to share with you a bit of a story. Well, I'm lying, I don't want to bore you. I want to hopefully give you some inspiration because what I'm going to share with you in this video is I'm going to show you exactly how much I earn from YouTube for a video which passed 400,000 views. Now maybe you're interested in starting on YouTube, or maybe you're just nosy, or maybe you're on YouTube and you're putting in the time and the effort and nothing's happening for you. Hopefully by the end of this video it will encourage you to continue on your journey, because look, YouTube can be incredibly frustrating in the beginning, but like most things I've found, whether it's YouTube, creating blogs or niche blogs or absolutely anything, then it all comes down to predominantly consistency, and it genuinely is that. Now look, if you want more ways to learn about YouTube, just simply come over to my blog, click on YouTube. I have lots of articles on here. I share everything that I know about YouTube. I also have my journey on here, so you can go ahead and check. I don't know where it is. Wait, what? Oh, here we go. It's my journey so far. So you can go ahead and have a look at this and see exactly how it all started for me over on YouTube. But predominantly it isn't that difficult. And some people say, well, that's okay for you with at this moment in time 50,000 subscribers over on this channel here. But ultimately my channel at this moment in time is going through a bit of a downward trend, sadly. So look, if you found this video useful, please give it a like or comment down below. I would really appreciate that. Now today we're looking at this channel here, the Not Taught at School channel. Now predominantly this is in the make money online niche category. Now over on this niche, I don't like it personally, but it's all about the big numbers. You can see on here $471 in a day with just 15 minutes. In this niche, people they want to earn the most amount of money with the the littlest amount of effort. And these thumbnails, hopefully, they tend to they get people in and they get watching them. So they are a bit clickbaity. But hopefully, I hope that people they click on these videos, they start to watch them, and they learn that the content it's actually okay, it's not too bad. So we're going to be looking at a video on the channel here, and I'll share with you that video now, and I'll just walk you through and share with you some insight into this. So if I click on most popular, this is the video we are looking at today. And again, it's not a great surprise. Easy copy and paste, make $100 to $2,000 a day. Sounds like complete nonsense, doesn't it? But inside of the video, I share with you a number of websites where you can actually go ahead and do this. But let's go into the analytics of the video. So you can see down here, so the video at this moment in time, it's had 472,311 views, and even within the last 48 hours, it still had 33 views, which isn't bad considering this video was uploaded, I think it was two years ago, was it? I think it was 2 years. Oh, sorry, it's here, isn't it? Let me go back over here for you. It is the 11th of March 2019. So it's a little over 2 years old. It's still getting views every single day. And look at this, it's managed to earn $8,508. Not only that, it's brought into the channel 14,000 subscribers. I don't know where those subscribers have gone now because they're not watching the videos, but it brought in a hell of a lot of subscribers and it brought in a lot of money, as you can see here. Now this video, it's 16 minutes long. That's it. 16 minutes long. And it's just me, like I'm doing here, just rambling on camera, sharing with people, a number of websites that they can use to make money online and from home. So, you might be watching this thinking, well, how on earth can this video earn $8,500 compared to, other channels whereby they're uploading a video and, that video might get 1 million or 2 million views and they're only earning like $1,000 or so. The reason being is, in this make money online niche, people and advertisers, they're prepared to pay a hell of a lot more money to, get their ads in front of my audience because it's in the make money online niche. Maybe they have a course or a product or some software whereby, they don't mind spending a lot more money to put that ad over on one of my videos, and, they can recoup that, their ad spend back that way, because it wouldn't be relevant of putting an ad on like a gaming channel or someone's blog or something like that, because it wouldn't be of interest. But they know that this sort of video here, people are interested in making money online. So if they have like $1,000 course, putting that in front of someone who's watching this sort of video here, it may be relevant to them. So in terms of this video here, the other thing I want to share with you about this is, if I scroll down here, look, we have got traffic source external. So believe it or not, even when we're putting videos onto YouTube, people can still find our videos externally. So you can see on here, look, Google search. From Google, we've had 18.7% of traffic is coming from Google. We've obviously got YouTube here, but we've also got Facebook and Gmail. The other thing as well, which I encourage you all to do, is to be including hashtags in your videos. And the reason being is, I mean, look at this, hashtag how to make money online, 3.9%. So this is actually people using hashtags over on YouTube. We've also got the brand not taught at school. We've got Money Pantry, Squad Help, and Branson Tate for some strange reason. Now, if we come further down the page here, we've also got playlist traffic on here. And I've been very fortunate with this video. You can see 90% of the videos, 90% of the views has come from YouTube recommending my content for me. I mean, look at that, 5.2 million impressions with a 5% click-through rate. So I mean, it's not it's not an impressive click-through rate by any means, but the fact that YouTube was recommending and sharing it for me, it's definitely helped. I wish they'd share more of my videos. I genuinely do. But this video here, look, it's just me talking on camera like I'm doing here for you. And if I go back over into this video, you can see here, look, what happened was, in fact, let me see if I can do this 11th of March. Let me see if I can just break this down a little further for you, just so you can see this, because this didn't happen overnight. So let's just go there to, let's just go to, let's say, the 30th of the 3rd, 2019. Okay, and we'll click on apply. So you can see here, once the video was actually published, it got 3,000 views in the first day, and then the next day 2,000. So it was doing okay, but then what happened was, randomly, you can see we started to get this big spike up here. I mean, look at this, impression, sorry. It just YouTube started recommending and sharing this for me, so it went all the way up to, this is in a day, by the way, 55,000 impressions. So that means YouTube put this video in front of 55,000 people. It's insane. And then it went down to 28, but then we had another spike, so it went back. I mean, look at that. I mean, blimey, 90,000 impressions in a day. And look, that was a month later. That was Friday the 12th of April, and the video was released on March the 11th. So a month later, after I put the video out, YouTube was just pushing it insane. And then again, we've dropped down and it went over. And then obviously over time, it dies off. But I mean, look at this here. So August the 3rd, from, this is many months. So we published it in March and we're now into August, and YouTube was still pushing this video for us. I mean, look at this. In a day, they pushed it out to, what's this up here? 30,000 people in a day. And then, sadly, over time it started to dwindle down, and then it's not had a lot of traffic since then. But overall, you could be putting out a video today and it might not do anything for, I've got a student, by the way, who put out a video, it did absolutely nothing, and then after 6 months his video started going insane, and it started going ahead and getting traction, and YouTube was sharing this. So what I'm trying to share with you in today's video is, I'm not saying, how much I'm earning and, being, brash or anything like that. What I am saying to you is, if you are on YouTube and, you may be struggling at this moment in time, or you don't feel like you're getting traction, then just stay with it, because as you've seen here, you can put out a video in a couple of weeks from now or a couple of months, that video could start to take off, and you could literally start to, earn some decent money purely from the YouTube AdSense. But if you incorporate this with like affiliate marketing or Amazon Associates or eBay Network or anything like that, you can earn a lot more money as well. So it's not bad, is it? One video which was 16 minutes long, and it earned me, $8,508 in YouTube AdSense. Now look, I have a free YouTube course. You can go ahead and check that out down below, and I've also got many more articles over on my blog here, so just simply come over to my blog, Not Taught at School, click on YouTube, and you can go ahead and have a look at them all. You can check out my journey on YouTube and lots more. So that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But overall, YouTube is an absolutely awesome method to make money online and from home. And just keep going. So thanks again. I'll see you tomorrow.